Happy New Year! Hi, I'm Brent MacIntosh. I'm the team leader at the MacIntosh Group at RE/MAX River City. And this is my monthly market update. Now that 2021 is finally over, that year seemed to take forever. I have the numbers from the REALTORS Association of Edmonton. I'd like to share them with you. 2021 was a really busy year for the Edmonton real estate market. Sales were up. Listings were up. Values went up in the spring. They leveled off in the summer and they dropped in the fall. Well, that's it in a nutshell. That didn't take long, did it? I'll break it down now a little bit more detailed. When we look at two different categories, single family homes and condos, it's like two different markets. Let's start with sales. So although sales were busy for both, listings were busy for both, we're going to talk about values at the end and you're going to see the differences between the two markets. There were 15,276 single family homes sold in Edmonton and area. Compare that to 2020 when we had 10,801. So we had 4,500 more sales in 2021. That's an increase of 41%. For condos, there were 5,691 sales compared to 3,813 sales in 2020. That's an increase of 49%. Listings, like I said, were also up. There were 20,331 single-family homes listed in 2021. In 2020, there were 17,095. That's an increase of 19% of single-family inventory. For condos, there were 12,022 condos listed in 2021 compared to 9,269 in 2020. That's an increase of about 30%. When we look at the two numbers together, the sales outpaced the listings, so we had an increase in the sales to list ratio. 76% of all the single family homes that were listed in 2021 sold, and 47% of all the condos that were listed sold. Both of those numbers are up from 2020. Now, what about values? That's usually the most important thing on people's minds. If you've seen my previous monthly market updates, you'll know that I typically talk about values rising in the spring, leveling off in the summer, and dropping in the fall. It happens almost every single year. The median sales price for single-family homes in Edmonton started off the year at $395,000 in January. It peaked and then leveled off April, May, June, and July at $425,000. And then fell a little each month between August and November. In November, the median sales price was $412,250. December was a little weird. It actually went up. It went up to $423,000 in December. That's highly unusual, and that was caused by a shortage of listings, especially good homes on the market. So we actually saw a value increase for the single family prices in December, something that we don't see very often. Typically, December and January are the low points of the year. Now, the median sales price for condominiums started the year at $195,000 in January. It peaked in May at $226,750. It then dropped for the most part each month until the end of the year, where it finished at $189,950 in December. So basically $190. It started off the year at $195. It finished the year at $190. So the median sales price for condos finished lower than it started, yet the median sales price for single-family homes actually finished the year stronger than when it started. What's going to happen in 2022? Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. It's impossible for me to say for sure, but my best guess is I think we're going to see strong numbers for both categories again for sales and listings, and we're going to probably see a strong finish for single-family homes, as that seems to be the trend. Acreages, single-family homes seem to be going up in value, and there's a greater demand for it as people are craving more space and not needing to be close to work anymore. So lifestyles are changing, and that's really hurting the condo market. I don't think we're at the bottom yet for condominiums. So if you're thinking about selling your condominium, probably selling it early 2022 is going to be better than waiting till later on. If you're thinking about buying a single-family home this year, then you should get on the horn and call us immediately, because whatever you buy in January or February is probably going to be worth more money in April or May. So this is a great way to get some free equity. If you're a seller and looking to maximize your dollars, then give us a call as well, and we can talk strategy on the best ways to get the most money for the type of property that you have. You can reach our team directly. We're at 780-464-0075. Any one of our agents will be happy to help you and assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a spectacular 2022.